In a world full of chaos, nature created a paradise of love. Today, we escape into the 40 most breathtaking and romantic waterfalls on earth. Just close your eyes and feel the peace, and let's begin. Plitvice Waterfall is located in Croatia and connected with most stunning turquoise lakes and dozens of beautiful cascades. Burney Falls in California is a unique marvel, fed by underground volcanic springs all year round. Sikampul Waterfall is hidden deep in the jungles of Bali, Indonesia, and it is a cluster of majestic, towering tropical waterfalls. Seljalandsfoss in Iceland stands at 60 meters, and you can actually walk right behind the falling water. Havasu Falls is a hidden paradise inside the Grand Canyon, famous for its intense blue-green water. Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking network of 275 waterfalls stretching across the rainforest border. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the world's highest waterfall, dropping from a majestic 979 meters. Kravica Waterfall is a stunning natural amphitheater surrounded by green forests and clear emerald pools. Dudhsagar Falls in India looks like a sea of milk, cascading down four tiers through a lush mountain pass. Skogafoss is an iconic Iceland giant, creating massive mist and beautiful frequent double rainbows. Ruby Falls is a spectacular underground waterfall hidden deep inside a historic cave in Tennessee. Stubbs Fall drop right next to a fairy tale Swiss village in the majestic Lauterbrunnen Valley. Kilt Rock Waterfall in Scotland offers a dramatic view, dropping directly off a cliff into the ocean. Detian Falls is a stunning multi-tiered masterpiece located on the misty border of China and Vietnam. Victoria Falls, known as the smoke that thunders, Victoria Falls form the largest curtain of falling waters on Earth. The world-famous Niagara Falls is a powerful icon of nature, standing proudly on the US-Canada border. Shoshone Falls is a majestic canyon marvel in Idaho, standing even taller than Niagara Falls. Godafoss, known as the Waterfall of the God, Godafoss is a historic horseshoe-shaped beauty in Iceland. Tegenungan waterfall is a popular tropical escape in Bali, featuring a powerful drop into a scenic valley. Kuang Falls in Laos is famous for the multi-layered, dreamy turquoise pools that look magical. Multnomah Falls in Oregon features a stunning two-tiered drop with a picturesque historic bridge. Yosemite Falls drops from a breathtaking 739 meters, making it a crown jewel of California. Detian is the most powerful waterfall in Europe, sending massive thundering waves through a canyon. Snoqualmie Falls is a sacred and beautiful 82-meter waterfall surrounded by deep Washington pine forest. Kilt Fall in Guyana is one of the world's most powerful single-drop waterfall hidden deep in the jungle. Jog Fall in India is a spectacular monsoon marvel in India where the river Saravati splits into 4 distinct heavy drops. Multnomah Falls in Africa drops into a spectacular isolated green gorge, creating a beautiful mist. Waterfall Falls is Australia's tallest single-drop waterfall, plunging elegantly into a prehistoric rainforest. Takaka Fall in Canada is a magnificent glacier-fed giant, dropping from a height of 373 meters. Athabasca Fall is famous for its intense force and beautiful turquoise water cutting through a rock canyon. Gullfoss Waterfall is a dramatic golden waterfall in Iceland that plunges into two tiers into a deep hidden crevice. Switzerland Rhine Falls is the Europe's largest plain waterfall, offering a majestic and powerful display of rushing water. Pliva Waterfall is unique because it drops beautifully right in the middle of a historic Bosnian town. Sutherland Falls in New Zealand drops from a high mountain lake in three spectacular clean steps. Tock Waterfall is a peaceful cascading gem hidden inside Ireland's lush and mossy national forest. Newryland Waterfall is one of the widest highland waterfalls in the world, surrounded by colorful trees. Jim Jim Falls, Australia, features a majestic drop over deep red sandstone cliff in Australia's northern wilderness. Heangoshu is one of Asia's largest waterfalls, featuring a natural water curtain queue hidden behind it. It is located in China. Foss is a small but iconic islandic waterfall perfectly framed by the famous Kirkjufell mountain.